In today's video, we'll be looking at the progress taking place in Urbe Vista in Vistacana. Get comfortable because this video starts right now. Back in July 2022, I introduced to you Urbe Vista in Vistacana, a unique project of apartments and duplex villas. What makes this project stand out is the shape of the buildings, similar to pyramids. The biggest apartments are on the bottom and the studio apartments on top. There will be 10 buildings with 32 units in each building, totaling 320 units. There will also be 40 duplexes, also known as semi-detached villas. And of course, the project will have its own private amenities for all owners and tenants to enjoy, on top of the amenities Vistacana offers. If you haven't seen this video, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can watch it after today's presentation. A few days ago, I went back to visit the site where Urbe Vista is being built to capture aerial shots so you can get a real sense of how this amazing project is coming along. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy today's visuals on Urbe Vista in Vistacana Punta Cana. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos showcasing updates on numerous projects, I invite you to become a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the notification bell and choose the all option so you can get a friendly reminder that a new video had just been published on this channel. And give these videos a thumbs up. These simple yet meaningful things will help this channel in its continuous growth. And share this information with others so they too can be up to date. When you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.